Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today video I'm going to be showing how to make this simple tuna Italian pasta, not fish. Okay. It's very simple and delicious and it takes no time to be ready. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let's get it. So these are the ingredients. I'm going to be using some fresh cherry tomatoes, about 100 grams. You can use less if that is what you want. So I'm going to be using dry pepper. You can use fresh one as well. I'm going to be using one can of tuna with olive oil. Yeah, I prefer tuna with olive oil because it's the best. Pasta, extra virgin of olive oil, onion, basil and capperi. So I'm going to be leaving the ingredient at the description, so make sure you check it out to see the full ingredients. Okay, so first I've washed the fresh tomatoes and now I'm going to slice them, like reduce them in a little piece. You can slice them if you want them big, you can let them bigger one, like slice them into two. So after that is done, I'm going to move over to the cooking. Now over the heat, I'm going to place my saucepan and add about 4 tablespoons of extra virgin of olive oil into the pan. Allow the pan to heat up a bit. While that is happening, place a water for the pasta. Okay, so the oil is hot now and I'm going to be adding the garlic, onion and a little bit of capperi. I used about half a teaspoon of capperi. Then I'm going to add some dry pepper inside. Like I said, you can use fresh pepper. So after you have done that, go ahead and stir them and allow the onion, garlic to cook for a couple of minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to add the fresh tomatoes. You can use the canned tomatoes if that is what you want. If you cannot lay your hand immediately on a fresh one, just use tomatoes that you have at home. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Stir them all together and allow them to cook until you will see when the tomatoes is cooked, when they change color. So here, as you can see, the tomatoes is almost cooked. Yeah. So the next thing I'm going to do here, after stirring them, I'm going to go ahead to add the tuna inside the sauce. So I love to use tuna with extra virgin of olive oil. It's a little bit more pricey than the one that has water, but it's best the one that has extra virgin of olive oil to it. It has a great taste as well. So I'm just going to add it. After adding it, I'm going to stir everything up together and reduce the heat. Okay, so after I'm done stirring them, I'm going to go ahead to remove that garlic. But if you're the type that eats garlic, just leave it inside there. But I just like to take it out of the sauce, but you can leave it, it's not a problem as well. So the water for the pasta is boiling. I'm adding some sea salt into the water now. Then I'm going to go ahead to add the pasta and allow the pasta to cook. The pasta says to be cooked for 7 to 8 minutes, but depends how many minutes yours is asked to cook. You know, we don't like eating soft pasta here because soft pasta is very heavy to digest. But when you get the time that they ask you to cook pasta, it's more easy to digest when you follow the time. So yeah, moving over to the sauce. Just stir them very well and make sure you put the heat down. Okay, and here it is. I'm taking off the garlic and the next thing I'm going to do right now, test the salt. The salt is okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of basil leaf inside the sauce, then stir them all up together. You can use parsley with basil leaf as well. The flavor is wonderful if you mix both together. So now I'm going to use this spoon to take water from the cooked pasta and add it to the sauce. Now the heat is low. The heat for the sauce is very, very low. So stir them all up together and add the pasta, the cooked pasta, into the sauce. just like what you can see here. Go ahead and gently mix them all up together until they are well combined, until the sauce circulates around the pasta. That is all you need, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead to stir them. It's going to take me about a minute to just get them done, okay? So yeah. So now I'm going to dish out the pasta. Don't worry, the pasta I'm putting on this plate is just for thumbnail. It's not going to be big. So yeah, that is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's simple to put together and it's delicious. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next one. God bless you. Bye.